Good morning. Welcome to TMV. It's my absolute pleasure to welcome you all to the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication and the Department of Digital Art at Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapith. Today is a special day. It's not just the beginning of your academic year, but the start of a journey that will shape your skill, your personality, and perhaps even your dream in ways you can't even imagine. As per the great Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thought and thought result in action. Each one of you has walked into this campus, your own dreams. Some of you may dream of becoming fearless journalist. Some may aspire to be creative storyteller, filmmaker, designer, photographer, or leader in the media world. Here you will find the tools, the knowledge, and the guidance to turn those dreams into action. University life is much more than just lecture and exams. It is a phase where you will learn to question, to explore, to innovate, and to express yourself with confidence. Over the coming year, you will meet mentors who will inspire you, friends who will become your second family, and challenges that will push you to grow beyond your comfort zone. So I invite you to embrace this new chapter with open minds and open hearts. Participate actively, learn passionately, and never hesitate to dream big. Because here we believe that dreams, when followed with dedication, have the power to change the world. To begin our program, I request our respected Dean, Dr. Professor Ujjwala Barve ma'am, to address the student.
Good morning, everybody. As she said, my name is Ujjwala Barve. I work as the dean here in TMV, that is Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapith. But that is a position I took up post-retirement. I was with Savitribai Phule Pune University, the journalism department before. And now I'm here more in a consultative capacity. So, though I would like to meet you very often, interact with you very often, I will not be teaching you, so you can breathe a sigh of relief. I'll just talk to you once in a while. So before I go ahead, I would like to know how many of you understand Marathi? Most of them. Okay, then how many of you do not understand Marathi? Okay, there are a couple of them. Why? Because we are in the Department of Communication and it is very, very important to know your target audience and moreover the language that they know, the languages that they know, the languages that they are comfortable in. So most of you understand Marathi, but there are two friends who do not understand Marathi. Most of my interaction will be in English, but once in a while I may ask you questions in Marathi. Will that be okay? Yeah. We have here a group of students who will be studying different subjects, who are at different stages of their education. We have very young students who are here immediately after their 12th standard, and we also have students who have finished their graduation and are now looking at a master's degree. We have students who want to become journalists, we have students who want to get into advertising, public relations, and we also have students who are students of digital arts, which is a completely different domain than maybe advertising, PR, journalism. But up, we have the head of department, Dr. Keshav Sathe. So he will address you first and then I'll go with my presentation.
Good morning, everybody. This is the first day of your college here, right? And most of them are a student of master's degree and most of them are for a bachelor's degree. How many from advertising and PR MA? First year student? Okay. How many from digital arts? Okay. And how many from BJMC? Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication? Okay. I will add just a few things to tell you, because you are entering to this college to learn mass media and journalism. Do you know what is the market size of mass media? It's 2 lakh crore rupees. Can you write that figure? It's a 2 lakh crore rupees industry, and you are going to enter that industry. So it's a very huge market, very vital market. And so from the first day of your college, you should be very serious and sincere to learn everything which is going to perform here. We have got 60% practical, 40% theory. So obviously you would like to learn more things in studio, sound studio, in mixing room, in labs. So try to grab maximum things in your college timing, so that when you go out, you will be equipped with the required skill for the industry. Now we have ChatGPT, and please don't misuse that. Please don't misuse to write your tutorials, write your assignments. Definitely take help from it. But I think you should be more creative. You should have your own say. You should have your own convictions that you can put on the paper. So I'm not afraid of artificial intelligence is coming and it is grabbing many jobs. No. Those who are creative, those having independent thinking, they are going to survive. New media, social media, they are our friends and they are our foes too. Because we see many false news, we see many trolling activities, so we should be away from that. And basically the new media, which is bringing us many opportunities to earn our money. You might be knowing that people can monetize their new media. Suppose you are on a YouTube and your YouTube channel is being seen by 50 lakhs people, 1 crore people, you are going to earn on that. So with a minimum capital investment, you would be definitely getting a good money, good source of income. But 3 things which you must have in mind while doing this course: technically you should be very sound, creatively you should be very up to date, and third, compassion towards humanity, sensitivity towards humanity, and a good citizen. I think these are the more required qualities for a journalist. Unless you are sensible enough to understand what actually happening, so your report would be trash. But you know it, you know what exactly happening and what should be happen. If you know that the difference, then your story would definitely come up. So I won't take much of your time, we have many things to see. All the best, we are going to meet every day. Come to me whenever you have any issue, any problem, but enjoy your study here for another 3 years or 2 years and try to become a good citizen. Thank you very much.
Fine. No matter how good we are at technology, the technology always once in a while fails us, and we have to be ready with plan B. And I would like to make my presentation interactive. It's not a very big group. Can you see the presentation? Yeah. An essential skill for media persons. I'm not talking about journalism. Even digital arts, fine arts, ad, PR, journalism, social media, digital media executive, it's all about media. And I strongly believe, in spite of all the technology, artificial intelligence, you think that your job is done by the technology. It is not, it cannot be done, right? It is, we are the humans, so human intelligence is important, and knowing people, reading people is the basic skill. In fact, now that we are depending on the technology more and more, I think it's our job to tell the young people that please do not lose connect with people, do not start ignoring people. When was the last time any of you interacted with a complete stranger while in a metro or the bus or waiting at the bus stop? When was the last time you interacted with a complete stranger?
met the artist Olympus and I said him that your sketches are very
So you knew the artist,
no. It was completely stranger.
but how did you know that he is an artist?
He put his sketch on.
Oh, okay. Isn't it? Because what happens now, whenever we are alone, we have our mobile phone with us. We don't feel the need to talk to people. And earlier, during my, I'm not too older by the way, but still, during my generation, we didn't have anything else, so we made it a point to talk to people who are around us. And I strongly believe that that gave us an edge. There are some quotes here which I would like to expand. This one is from Albert Einstein. How many of you have not heard of Albert Einstein? Of course, those who have not heard will not raise their hand because they'll feel, this must be some important person because madam has put the name there. And if I say that I don't know, I'll look a fool. Doesn't matter. I don't want to make you look fool. But anybody thinks, oh, I don't know Albert Einstein. Then is the time to note that in your mind and go and find out who Albert Einstein is. Okay? Not knowing anything is not an offense. Not having the desire to find out is a big offense, big crime, big mistake. And you are in such a course, media related, that you have to have the thirst for information, the thirst for knowledge. So I presume everybody knows who Albert Einstein is. Okay. And he said, I have no special talent, I am only passionately curious. It doesn't require great talent to do something great in life, especially in media. Because those are the crafts that can be learned. How to write well, how to shoot well using a camera, how to use the animation technique, all that can be learned. But if there is this basic element which is curiosity. What is curiosity? Who will tell what is curiosity? मराठीतून सांगितलं तरी चालेल. Curiosity म्हणजे काय? उत्सुकता म्हणजे काय? तो शब्दाचा अर्थ झाला. तळमळ. कशाची तळमळ? जाणून घेण्याची तळमळ. The thirst to know and the curiosity about anything and everything around you is something that is really helps people, because Einstein was a scientist. He had the curiosity to know how things function. Okay, all the scientists, like why does an apple fall on the ground? That one is observation that the apple falls. निम्म्या लोकांना तेही कळत नाही. काही लोकांना कळतं, अच्छा सफरचंद वरनं पडतं. But there are a few people who want to know why. Okay, so curiosity can be about anything, about the people around us. So this is a very good time. You are meeting new people. How many of you have come as a group? Or no, my best friend and I do, go everywhere together. I actually wanted to go into something else, but my best friend came to journalism and mass media, so I came here. Are there any who have come here as groups or friends? So you are meeting new people. You should be curious to know about them. Isn't it? Otherwise, you won't learn much. Okay. So curiosity. Then we are in the field of media. We want to express something. Maybe through words, maybe through images, maybe through animation, and you want people to understand us. Naturally. I want you to understand me. But before that, I have to understand you. That's why I asked you how many languages do you know. That's why I had in mind, okay, some are undergraduates, some are postgraduates, some are interested in advertising, some PR, some animation like digital arts. I know little about digital arts, so I'm not giving too many examples. I'm primarily from journalism. Okay, but I know something. But seek first to understand and then be understood. तुम्हालाच कळलं नसेल तर तुम्ही काय सांगणार लोकांना? If you yourself are confused, then your creation will be confusing. So first seek to understand and then be understood, and this is applicable also in the case of human interaction. If you want your friends or teachers to understand you, try to understand them as well. And that is applicable in all relationships, or even if they are not relationships still. For example, somebody that you meet you find very, very irritating. Maybe there is a reason, isn't it? Why that person is irritating. If possible, try to understand, try to read people. Who will read this? Yeah. What is written there? Who will translate it into Marathi? You are a student?
येस येस.
Okay. हां.
तर आपल्याला देवाने 2 कान दिलेले आहेत आणि 1 तोंड दिलेलं आहे. तर जास्त ऐका आणि कमी बोला.
जास्त ऐका आणि कमी बोला. If you want to understand people, you just cannot go on speaking yourself.
राईट.
That's why there are 2 ears and 1 mouth. Okay, 2 ears to listen. I mean, this is just a funny way of looking at it. That is some philosopher, Epictetus. I don't expect you to know this person, but I expect you to know Albert Einstein. Is there anybody who is now brave enough to say, I have not heard of Albert Einstein? We'll give him a clap
येस.
for admitting that you don't know.
राईट.
But in the second half of the day, they will tell me who Albert Einstein is. Everybody knows Albert Einstein, then again I give a clap to all of you. Because you know what? So, we have to communicate with people in the sense, not just one way traffic. बोलताय समोरचं काय सांगतोय ते ऐकायचं नाही. No. You have to, in the communication process, you have to listen more, right? And speak as and when required. If everybody does that, then there won't be all that commotion. सगळेच बोलतायत, ऐकणारच कोणी नाहीये. In the sense, not only the physical act, but even our discussions. Everybody is speaking, everybody is putting forth their opinion. ऐकून कोणीच कोणाचं घेत नाहीये. That does not help. So, in order to be good communicators, in order to be good with people, to able to read people, you have to be a good listener. चांगलं ऐकता आलं पाहिजे, म्हणजे हिअरिंग एड लावायची नाही. चांगलं ऐकणं. व्हॉट डज इट एंटेल? चांगलं ऐकणं म्हणजे काय? हू कॅन जस्ट एक्सपांड अ लिटल बिट? चांगलं ऐकता आलं पाहिजे. गाणं नाही आहे, बोलणंच म्हणतीये. चांगलं ऐकता आलं पाहिजे. व्हॉट डज इट मीन? लक्षपूर्वक ऐकलं पाहिजे. समोरचा बोलत असताना आपण मोबाईलमध्ये डोकं घालून उपयोग नाही. लक्षपूर्वक. व्हॉट एल्स? म्हणजेच काय तेच बोलतोय ना आपण. गुड लिसनिंग म्हणजे काय?
जे महत्वाचं आहे ते पण
समजून घेता. लक्षपूर्वक ऐकलं की समजतं, बट यू ऑल्सो हॅव टू रिस्पॉन्ड. समोरच्याला कळलं पाहिजे ना आपण ऐकतोय ते, त्याला आपल्याला कळलंय. मी तुमच्याशी बोलतेय, तुम्ही जरा असं करताय, मला बरं वाटतंय. जर तुम्ही सगळे किंवा उलट रागाचे चेहरे करून बसलात तर कम्युनिकेशन होईल का? नो. यू हॅव टू लाईक गुड लिसनिंग ऑल्सो मीन्स रिस्पॉन्डिंग. Okay, I understand, I agree, okay, I find it interesting, okay, I'm willing to listen further. हे पाहिजे ना, तर ते पुढे जाऊ शकतं. So when you are interacting with people, it is important to be a good listener. The human body is the best picture of the human soul. In the previous point, we talked about listening, but conversation or dialogue does not happen only through listening. What else communicates?
बॉडी.
The entire body. So, when we are interacting with people, understanding body language. ऐकलाय शब्द कधी? Body language, देहबोली. अतिशय महत्वाची आहे. It is said that it's only 7% of the words that actually communicate something. It could be 7, 20, whatever, doesn't matter. Majority dialogue in face-to-face happens through body language. What all comes in body? So human body is the best picture of human soul. आपल्या एकंदर मनस्थितीनुसार आपल्या बॉडीचं सगळं हालचाली बदलतात. एखादं कोणी अगदी असं चालत आलं, काय झालं? खूप आनंद झालाय. होत it doesn't happen that way. If you are happy, of course you will jump, you will run, there will be a spring in your step. Like us. So our whatever are our emotions, thoughts, they are very, very clearly reflected through our body. So it's also the smile, the face, the way you stand, the way you fold your hands. You have seen even children, if they are angry or something, they will do this, and isn't it? They don't speak, but we know. So what is in their mind? So if to be good media people, again those who are in animation, I'm sure you have to draw human beings. So when you have to show the emotions, how will you know what emotions to show or what body postures to show if you do not interact with people? Isn't it? So remember that the body language also is very, very important. What does it say? Two. बॉडीमध्ये अजूनही महत्वाचा जो अवयव आहे तो आहे डोळे खोटं बोलत नाहीत असं म्हणतात. बरोबर आहे. म्हणजे आता इवन इन ऑनलाईन मीटिंग फॉर एक्झाम्पल, नॉट मच ऑफ द बॉडी कॅन बी सी, बट यू कॅन सी द फेस अँड द आईज, अँड आईज नेव्हर लाय इज व्हॉट इज बिलीव्ड. देयर इज अ होल सायन्स अबाउट lie detection that rests on eye movement, fluttering of the eyes or closing of the eyes. So if you want to read people, you have to be able to pay attention to the eyes. Those of you who are artists and जे कोणी पोर्ट्रेट वगैरे काढतात त्यांना माहिती आहे की बाकी सगळं छान काढून होतं, डोळे काढायच्या वेळेला मग सगळे निम्मे लोक पण मिटलेले डोळे दाखवतात. Why? Because the eyes can make or mar a picture. डोळे काढणं, डोळ्यातले भाव काढणं अतिशय अवघड आहे, बिकॉज दे स्पीक अ लॉट. आईज ऑल्सो आर अ विंडो टू द वर्ल्ड और टू द सोल ऑफ द पर्सन. This is also another mark of good communication. When you are talking to people, first of all you will listen to them, then you will observe their body language. You will make eye contact and see what their eyes are saying. But when you are reading people, you also have to know, what does it say? Yeah, you.
Not what you say, but the way you say it.
But the way you say it. काय म्हणलंय महत्वाचं आहेच आहे, but how it is said. चांगलं झालंय. What am I saying? I'm giving a compliment. But how am I giving it?
Rudely.
Rudely. ठीक आहे, तुम्हाला कळतं की हे काही खरं चांगलं झालेलं नाहीये. मॅम doesn't want to say much. She just wants to brush me off. So how you say it? Some people are very conducive with good words,
Right.
but the way they say it, not bad.
Right.
So not bad is not a great compliment, but the eyes, the intonation, not bad. Not bad. The way it is said makes a difference.
Right.
So you have to be able to understand those cues. If you want to understand people, then not bad manale. And that is our problem with the written communication through mobile, and that is why you realize we are using so many emojis.
Right.
You realize the words by themselves are flat. Not bad, and even hard. Then you know that the other person will not take it in a bad way.
Right.
Isn't it? Or smile. Sorry, I can't come. Or whatever. Smiley. Or love. There are why are there so many emojis? Because words by themselves cannot, and especially the written static words. And in emotion, so it is not what you say, but the way you say it. कसं बोललेलं आहे. When you are talking to people, you also have to pay attention to that. When you are trying to read people, you are trying to observe people, also pay attention to the way they are saying it. But we are going even beyond that. It's not only what you are saying, the way you are saying, but Can you read that line?
Silence is more eloquent than words.
Silence is more eloquent than words. म्हणजे काय मराठीत कोणी सांगेल? सायलेन्स म्हणजे बोलताना झालेला सायलेन्स. न बोलण्यातूनही बरंच काही व्यक्त होऊ शकतं. जे न बोललं गेलेलं आहे त्याच्यातूनही बरंच काही व्यक्त होतं. सायलेन्स आयदर कम्प्लिटली नॉट सेईंग एनिथिंग. मराठीमध्ये देर आर टू सेईंग्स. वन इज मौनम संमती लक्षणं. आईला विचारतो, आई जाऊ का ट्रिपला? आई काही बोलत नाही. यू कन्व्हिनियंटली थिंक बिकॉज शी हॅज नॉट सेड नो, that means she has said yes.
Right.
If she had to say no, she would have said that.
Right.
So that is very convenient. Whatever is not said also has a meaning. And there is another saying called maunam sarvartha sadhanam. काही गडबड करायची नसेल तर गप्प बसा. म्हणजे आपापच गोष्टी होतात. But when we are talking to people, if people do not say anything that has a meaning, or we are in the media, we are to talk about, you say suppose you have to review a new film. You say that the storyline is good, the cinematography is good, and that's it. And you're not talking about the acting, you're not talking about the music. That means they don't warrant mention. दुसरं मराठीत आपण असं म्हणतो अनुल्लेखानं मारणं. You know that when something is not mentioned, that means it's not worth noticing or not worth taking note of. Okay. कसं झालं? How was my assignment, ma'am? If it is handwritten, I will say, yeah, the handwriting is good, and the paper that you have used is rather good, and the proper paragraphs and all. So, ma'am is not talking about what actually you have written. Either she doesn't want to criticize. Isn't it? So what is not said, or when somebody doesn't respond, there is complete silence, and that happens in relationships a lot. आणि मोबाईलमुळे मेसेज पाठवला की सुरू बघायला, आलं का उत्तर, ब्लू टिक झाली का? Isn't it? That is what we are doing. But even in our day-to-day reaction, we have to be able to understand, are people not saying something? And if you know that, then you can get people to talk about it. Sometimes, there are tricky questions, especially if you are a journalist and if you go out and ask somebody, if you are doing a report, let's say on the food quality of in a hostel, and then you ask them, like, how is the food quality? But okay, then you realize, no, it's because otherwise the reply would be, yes, it's very good. Then there is some silence, then there is something else, isn't it? So if you know how to read people, you will get to the bottom, again because you want to investigate further. So that can be done. One can learn more about a person in an hour of play than in a year of conversation. If you observe people in informal situations, you learn a lot more about them than in formal situations. So sometimes, again, if you are out somewhere, or if you just happen to notice somebody without them knowing, video काढायचा नाही. I'm not talking about taking a video without people knowing about it and making it viral. No, I'm talking about observing people and understanding or getting to know them. Right? So if at all you observe somebody, how do they behave in their normal situation? Or you might have also have seen this, that the same person is different in a group of friends, is different in a family, is different at work, isn't it? So how they are really. So when they are relaxed, if you observe them, then you can get to know them better. Is what? How many of you have heard of Plato? How many? Earlier माझा प्रश्न वेगळा होता, तो चुकला मला. कोणाला माहिती आहे सांगा? Plato? Okay, fine, doesn't matter, but try to find out. There are some such names when it comes to wisdom, human wisdom, universal human wisdom. You will hear the names of Plato, Aristotle, Socrates, Chanakya, you know, like from some Indian context, some from Western context, but the basic curiosity. कोण आहे हा प्लेटो बाबा, ही बाई आहे का बुवा आहे? बुवा आहे. हां, पण काय म्हणजे का बरं प्लेटोचं नाव घेतलंय? Isn't it? So that can be. The point is that observe people in their informal environment. Play in the sense informal environment. Sometimes when people are relaxed, you know, they can smile more, they can laugh more, they can enjoy more. So when you observe people in informal situation, that is who they are. That is what they really are. At workplace, they may put on a mask. But really people when they are in that informal situation. So, I'm not going to give a big lecture, but another big lesson. The point is that reading people is the key to good content that is suitable for media. Isn't it? Why? Because, for example, advertising. Advertising you think is all about creativity, but where does creativity come from? Creativity comes from observation. What kind of observation? If you remember any of the ads that you like, you will see that they depict people in this situation, that situation. For example, there was this ad where a small child gets angry with the family members and then says, "I am now leaving." 8-year-old. It was the ad of Dhara, my time, of course. Recent ads, I don't know. I can't recollect immediately. And then the child says that, "I'm leaving home." You know, and then he packs his bag. For all to create that ad, you have to observe people. How will a child behave when he gets angry? How will a child behave when he says, "I'm going to leave"? And what will the reactions of the family members be? When you observe people, you know what kind of clothes they will wear. If you want to create a character that is in the villages, that is living in the villages. Many a times what we do is, which is fine, because we are surrounded by so much media, for references we look at pictures. Suppose I give you an assignment that draw a village woman. What will you do? Most of you will Google it or ChatGPT, and how many of you will actually remember a village woman that you have seen? You will, because you have seen. Okay. If I ask you to not draw, but verbally explain the work of a fruit vendor. कुठे असतात ना फ्रूट वेंडर्स, फळवाले. आत्ता मी सांगितलं की मला सांगा एखाद्या व्यक्तीचं वर्णन. व्यक्तीचं वर्णन व्यवस्थित करता येईल, काही जणांना येईल, काही जणांना नाही येणार, which is fine. The point is that if you observe, reading people does not mean going and talking to people. Otherwise TMV will get complaints. अरे लोक आम्हाला येऊन सारखी त्रास देत आहेत, सारखे आमच्याशी बोलतायत. No. Talking to them is important whenever you can. How many of you can strike a conversation with strangers very easily? Good. Okay, for some it may be difficult, for some it's impossible. But while you are trying to work in the media, again, if you want to work in public relations, public is what? Public is people. If you don't know the people, if you don't know what people like, second-hand knowledge is good, but first-hand knowledge is better whenever you can, because it's your exclusive learning, isn't it? So try to complement your second-hand. What is second-hand knowledge? Something that you have not gained. So going Google or ChatGPT or all that is all second-hand. It's not your own experience. Your own experience definitely is what I believe. I don't know about your generation, but whatever we have experienced, we tend to remember better. It forms a lasting impression, I'm sure, and it adds, as I said, it's exclusive. In media, we want to be different. We want to be creative. Current, तुम्हाला एखादी assignment दिली, if everybody goes to ChatGPT, most likely the answer will be the same. But if you base it on your own observation, it will be different. When I say a village woman, some people might think of a woman in a 9-yard sari. Yes, she can be a village woman. Some can think of a girl in a salwar kameez, yes, she's also village. Some can think of a woman in regular sari, yes, that is possible. So there will be variety and you can bring in something unique, and that is what is required in media. If all the news items and news stories of all the channels look the same, you won't be attracted. So it goes to the other extent of using clickbait, to make it different. But the point is that the more you observe, the more you engage with people. Silent observation, yes, you can do that anywhere. Active engagement, that is, you actually talk to people or listen to people, that is even better. Because those of you who are going for journalism, one thing that AI cannot do right now in journalism is to actually go and talk to people on the streets. That is, the journalists have to do that. So if you have to go to the people, if I ask you to write a report on, let's say, fruit vendors. What are the problems of the fruit vendors? रस्त्यावर फळं विकणाऱ्यांचे प्रॉब्लेम्स काय आहेत याविषयी थोडी माहिती काढून या आणि प्रत्यक्ष जा असं सांगितलं तर यू हॅव टू नो हाऊ टू टॉक टू अ फ्रूट वेंडर, विच लँग्वेज विल बी कम्फर्टेबल इन, हाऊ टू ॲड्रेस देम. लोकांशी इंटरॅक्शन करताना यू कॅनॉट बी मेकॅनिकल. यू विल हॅव टू कॉल देम दीदी, आंटी, चाची, भैया, isn't it, to strike some connection. So how to do all of that? That comes with practice. So in the beginning you might feel मेरे से गलती हो गई तो क्या. Some people who do not want to talk to others or in anything that you are doing. सगळ्यात भीती जास्त कशाची आहे? The greatest mistake in life is to be afraid that you will make one. भीती होईल, काहीतरी चूक होईल म्हणून करायचंच नाही काही. हीच मोठी चूक आहे. Do you agree with me? It's also about the language part. Unless you practice language, you will not improve. मला माहिती आहे की मराठीतून ज्यांनी प्रामुख्याने अभ्यास केलेला असतो त्यांना इंग्रजी बोलायची खूप जास्त भीती वाटते. चुकलो तर काय, चुकले तर काय, लोक हसतील. मग मराठीत दुसरं पण एक म्हणणं आहे, हसतील त्याचे दात दिसतील. हसू दे ना, त्यांना हसू दे, मला काय, माझ्या अंगाला भुकं पडतात का? बिकॉज अनलेस अँड अंटिल यू यूज द लँग्वेज यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू इम्प्रूव्ह इट. मग तुमचं ऐकणं सुधारेल, बोलणं कधीच सुधारणार नाही. वाय? बिकॉज यू आर अफ्रेड ऑफ मेकिंग अ मिस्टेक. दॅट इज द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक. So this is not only about reading people. Generally in the 2 years or 3 years that you will be here, making mistakes is not wrong, and I'm sure all the teachers always feel, and I always believe, and which I also said, not knowing something is not a crime. Not trying to know it later, yes, of course, is not looked upon very well. Making a mistake is not bad, not a crime. But making the same mistake even after it has been pointed out is bad. Many teachers, including me, say jokingly, please yaar, make new mistakes every time. It should be interesting for us. वही गलती करोगे तो क्या फायदा? That means you're not learning. So mistakes, fine. Don't be scared of making mistakes, but try to learn from the mistakes. Try not to repeat the same mistake. If you are learning how to use the camera, and if they tell you कि white balance करा पहिल्यांदा, and you forget it 2 times, 3 times, that means you are not putting your heart into it. एक बार गलती हो गई, समझ लिया. You cannot do that again and again. So make mistakes. Why? What is the other part of it? Yes. Please read the one.
Okay, make mistakes. The one who never made a mistake, never tried anything new.
काही केलंच नाही तर चूक होणारच नाही.
बरोबर.
माझ्या असाइनमेंटमध्ये एकही चूक आजवर निघालेली नाहीये असं मला कोणी सांगितलं, अरे वा दाखव ना, असाइनमेंटच लिहिली नाही. I never wrote an assignment, so there was no mistake in my assignment.
Right.
Is it of any use? Definitely not when we are studying something. Why have you enrolled for a class or a course? Because you don't know it. तुम्हाला सगळं येत असतं तर तुम्ही आला असतात का कोर्स करायला? तरी स्टुडंटना काही काहींना वाटतं आपल्याला येतं, पण आम्हाला माहिती असतं सगळं येत नाही. ओके, द पॉइंट इज दॅट डू इट, फाईन, मेक मिस्टेक्स. जो काहीच करत नाही त्याच्या हातून चुका होतच नाही. So that's why you know that there are some people who like to organize things, and they may make some mistakes, and people criticize. So I am always with the organizers. See, they have taken upon the task of organizing it. That's why there are mistakes. आपने तो कुछ भी नहीं किया, सिर्फ क्रिटिसाइज किया. Okay, so करना जरूरी है. अगर गलती भी हो जाए, there is no problem at all. The one who never made a mistake never tried anything new. Always remember that. Who will read it? The last one? Yeah, you will. Stripes, yeah.
In the classroom, when mistakes are free, you pay for wisdom. In life, they are the lessons you learn.
Isn't it? Tuition fee भरी है ना? तो मिस्टेक करने के लिए भरी है. Meaning, learning happens through experience. Learning happens through activity. And the moment you do something, it might be liked by someone, it might not be liked by someone. It may be right, it may be wrong. Those who have not paid the fees will not be allowed to come to the studio and give a sound bite. Okay, sound bite करते करते ऐसे mic पकड़ना है, but the person keeps it here. It's a mistake. इसीलिए फी भरी है आपने. Next time we will tell you. And the third time you will hold it like this, otherwise there is no learning. Right? So mistakes happen even in a course, in an academic course. Mistakes happen in life. But we learn from them. We should learn from them. So कानमधून आपण शिक. अरे yeah, last time what happened that my class was to start at 11 o'clock. I took the 10 o'clock bus thinking I will reach on time. But Pune traffic you don't know. And you didn't reach on time. So that's the what mistake did you make at that time? Or you will say that Pune traffic is the mistake? No. What is the mistake? That you miscalculated the time required. And then if you learn next time, you will start at 9:30 and correct your mistake. If you have to, so that's a life lesson that you learned. Okay, if I have to reach at 11 o'clock, I have to start by 9:30 and further back. I have to get up at 8. For that I have to sleep early. All that is required. That is a life lesson that you learn. Coming back to my topic, reading people. Have you heard of the concept called human library, which is very, very popular these days? It started somewhere in Portugal. It's recently started in Delhi, I think. Human library, because as it says, will you read? How many of you like reading books? Okay, that's a great revelation for me. That book reading is going out of fashion. I don't mean books that are printed. Reading, even it may be online, not Facebook posts, but reading in general. Long articles, stories, nothing? Fine, all the best. Okay, but books are about, or television serials, fine. Okay, you watch television series? No? Good girl. But, I mean, what I mean to say is books in the sense, films, books, TV series, they are about people. But those are the stories that are chosen by someone for you. Fine, they are a great source. They are a great source of entertainment and knowledge, no matter, I mean, I have no doubt about it. But there are so many more stories in the faces and lives of people that you meet. Right? For example, there is somebody here in your group who has come from a faraway place then you can start talking to them about their life there. Okay, or who has had some completely unusual experience. त्यांच्याबद्दल सिरीज याची वाट बघाल का? Will you wait for a TV series to be made about their life? No, there are so many stories out there that will not be portrayed on the screen. Those will be your exclusive stories, those will be your learnings. Isn't it? So many, you might have heard of this saying, truth is stranger than fiction. जे आपण जे बघतो सगळं सिनेमा दॅट इज फिक्शन. ट्रुथ, खरं आयुष्य हे या सगळ्या काल्पनिक गोष्टींपेक्षा प्रचंड थरारक आहे. There are so many stories that are not depicted in books or on films or on television series, and everybody has a story to tell. So that's why you should be interested in people, trying to get to know as many people as possible while you are here, and not only your classmates. I know some students, I mean it depends, not everybody cannot be the same, but maybe in some batch where I taught previously, you know, in every 2-3 years there will be 1 or 2 students who had wonderful connection with the canteen wala, the sweeper guy, the security. Why? Because they are interested in people. They go and talk to them. Then they go and find out their stories, right? Because even they are people.
Right.
They have stories. Then you will find suddenly a great story in the security guard who says that I passed BA, I am now studying for this. You know, I work as a night watchman. Then I go to a school in the morning, and then I do this. I support my family. What a great story there is, isn't it? So there are stories in people around you, in each one of you, I'm sure, because there is something unique to each one of us. Then there is so much to understand about people around us. So try to find that out, which in the long run will help you in life, but life is still long, far away for you, which will help you in your academic course. Because it is all about communicating. And communicate कोणाशी करायचं आहे? लोकांशी करायचं आहे ना. So people should be at the center of it. You try to understand, then you will be understood. That is the key message here. So this is how you should be. Listening, noting, striking some relationship, going close to people. Isn't it? Being interested in them. And look at the gesture. He's probably, this is AI generated, by the way. Not me. But you can see the body like looks like they are engaged in a good, interesting conversation. The person is trying to say something, going by his attire, maybe he has certain kind of information, and she is looking at him, trying to talk to him. That is what you can do. And if you develop that habit, generally talking to people, even if you are at a bus stop waiting, you know, do not be nosy. म्हणजे उगा गोचपणा नाही करायचा. But sometimes you can strike, you know, good conversation. किती 10 बस लेट झाली नाही, हो ना, सारखी लेट होते वगैरे वगैरे करून. Earlier people used to talk about weather. Weather was a good starting point. कशी आहे ना हवा, हो ना, आणि आज मी नेमकी छत्री विसरले. हो का, मग तुम्हाला खूप लांब जायचंय का? मी देऊ का छत्री? Whatever, what depends how it goes. You have to, I mean, मीच का सुरू करू बोलायला, त्यांनी नको का करायला? Forget that. If we want to make connections, you can start. If they don't respond, fine. But we have to be able to strike a conversation, start a conversation, and try to understand. You will learn a lot by engaging with people. So wish you all the very best. Enjoy your time here. All the teachers and the HOD and everybody is here to help you make the most of the facilities that TMAV has, and all the other curricular, extracurricular activities. It's up to you to get the most out of what is there to offer. Right? I'm sure you will remember that. All the best. Thank you so much.
So firstly, the vision of our university to democratize the education, to provide accessibility towards higher education, to impart quality education, and the mission to reach the unreached, to provide a fine blend of traditional and modern science to equip the students with skills to face global challenges. The inception of the Vidyapeeth, as per the directions given by Mahatma Gandhi during the Indian National Congress session held at Nagpur in 1920, Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth was established in 1921 as an educational memorial of Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, the father of Indian unrest and an advocate of national education. The Vidyapeeth fact, the Vidyapeeth being devoted to national education, teachers and students actively participated in the non-cooperation movement in 1930 and 1932 and in the Quit India movement of 1942. After independence, Vidyapeeth entered into the discipline of social science and provided the facilities for postgraduate education and research in it. The Vidyapeeth was awarded the status of deemed to be university by Government of India in 1987 in recognition of its contribution in the field of education, which accorded the Vidyapeeth recognition at the national level. The facilities we have: laboratories, auditorium, gymnasium, sports ground, recreation hall, library, AI lab and game lab. Also, we have international student cell, grievance cell, anti-ragging cell, anti-harassment cell for women, grievance and redressal cell, special cell for SC and ST. Here is few photos of our judo hall, hostel and gymnasium. Also the library. Under the Faculty of Modern Science and Professional Skill, we have Journalism and Mass Communication Department and Digital Art Department. The Department of Journalism and Mass Communication established in the year 2026-27. The studio built in the year 2009. Tie-up with different media organization. And now is the vision of our department. The vision of our department is to provide a high quality education that will develop professional abilities and to encourage keen sense of responsibility with ethics. The mission of our department to acquire holistic perspective and clarity of understanding in the discriminative and effective use of design of audio, visual, film and journalistic media of communication. To provide the students with the opportunity to pursue programs that emphasize theoretical and practical aspects of journalism and mass communication from a wide range of communication streams. Here the programs we offered: firstly, MA in Mass Communication General, MA in Mass Communication Advertising and PR, Master of Journalism and PG Diploma in Media Production. The BA production we have BA in Journalism and Mass Communication, which will be the TV journalism, the Bachelors of Journalism, Print Media and TV journalism, BA in Music Production, BSc in Social Media and Digital Marketing, Diploma in Digital Photography, Diploma in Music Production, Diploma in Fashion, Wedding or Product Photography. Another two programs we have: BSc in Animation and VFX, MSc in Animation and VFX. The facilities we have in our department: well-equipped studio, multi-camera setup, teleprompter, computer lab with latest software, DSLRs, professional cameras, studio light for film and photography. Welcome you all. Now we will see the programs we have. BA in Journalism Mass Communication. Here is the subjects and the credits list. You have to study in your first semester. This is BA Journalism. You have the subject Introduction to Mass Media, which I will teach, and then Introduction to Journalism, Miss Anuja ma'am, Anuja Palkar ma'am, and Current Affairs, again Anuja Palkar ma'am, then Basic of Photography, Mr. Lalit Satish sir, then English, Mr. Atif sir, Atif Sonke sir. We have Yoga, where the Yoga Vidyadham will teach you yoga, and Indian Knowledge System. It will be recorded lecture. Here is a list of our faculties with the subjects, And then BA in music production. Here the subject list are the physics of sound, studio environment, music theory, melody instrument, English, yoga, and Indian knowledge system will be the common subject for music and the general batch of BA journalism. Here is a faculty list for your subjects: the physics of sound, studio environment, music theory, melody instrument, English, yoga, and Indian knowledge system. Then we have BJ program, Bachelors of Journalism in Print Media, and also we have AMJ. Your coordinator will describe you the subjects and all. We have MA in Mass Communication General. For the first semester, we have the subject Communication Theory and Practice, Public Relation Principle and Practices, Video Production, Media Law and Ethics, New Media, Advertising Principle, Concept and Management, and last one, Research Methodology. And here is the faculty list for your subjects. Communication Theory and Practice will teach Miss Kimaya Mehta ma'am. Then Public Relation Principle and Practices, Miss Shashwati Shweta ma'am. Then Video Production will teach Miss Kimaya Mehta ma'am. Then Media Laws and Ethics, Miss Debahuti Chakraborty ma'am will teach you. New Media, again Miss Kimaya Mehta ma'am. Advertising Principle, Concept and Management will teach by Miss Shashwati Shweta ma'am. And last one, Research Methodology will teach by Dr. Dheeraj Singh sir. And now we have our second program for MA Mass Communication, specialization in ad and PR. The subject list here: Communication Theory and Practices, Public Relation Principle and Practices, Video Production, Media Laws and Ethics, then Integrated Marketing Communication, Advertising Principle, Concept and Management, and the last one, Research Methodology. Here also you have some common subject with the MA General and MA Ad PR. Here is a faculty list. Communication Theory and Practices, as you know, Ms. Kimaya Mehta ma'am. Then Public Relation Principle and Practices, Ms. Shashwati Shweta ma'am. And Video Production will teach by Ms. Kimaya Mehta ma'am. Media Laws and Ethics will teach by Ms. Debahuti Chakraborty ma'am. And New Media and the rest of the subject will teach by Ms. Shashwati Shweta ma'am. And again the Masters of Journalism, the MJ subject, your coordinator will describe those things. And finally we have the Code of Conduct, which is so important, you need to pay attention. Firstly, student must carry their I-card when they are in the campus. I-card is so important. Whoever yet not got the I-card, please collect it as soon as possible. Then use of indecent language is strictly prohibited. Be humble and polite with your classmates and everybody. Alcohol and smoking is not allowed in the campus. Students must abide by the dress code specified by the department. All students must be cordial with fellow student, non-teaching staff and guests of the Vidyapit. Students should abide by the faculty, the teaching staff. Students are advised to read notice display on the notice board. You will get regularly notice. So follow the notice board regularly. 75% attendance is compulsory for all the subjects. Then in the loss of identity card, the student must apply his own or her new I-card within 1 week. Dues pending, if any, need to be cleared before the final exam. For any kind of certificate, one has to write an application and submit to the department, and after the 2 days of the submission, you will get the certificate. Do not carry any food item inside the classroom, lab or studio. This is, you need to follow very strictly. Do not carry food item inside the classroom, lab or studio. Switch off your mobile phone or gadget when you are in the lecture. Submit all your assignment on time. Only on 2 days the prior intimation you can meet the HOD. Firstly, you need to contact your coordinator, whatever problem, whatever issue you have. Convey your coordinator. She or he will arrange a meeting with the HOD. Then only you can meet the HOD. Student can use gym and recreation hall during free time. Participate all the activities organized by the department and Vidyapit. Leave note describing the reason and duration should be submitted to the department before and after availing leave. You can't be vanished all of a sudden. So before going for any leave, you need to apply for that. Then use suggestion box to voice your opinion or suggestion. You must saw the suggestion box at the department, the first floor. All students should follow all the procedure of the department and the Vidyapit. Complete the exam procedure as prescribed by the department. For re-evaluation, complete all procedure within 15 days after the declaration of the result. So you will get 15 days for the re-evaluation. The proposed activities of for this semester we have visit to different media houses like newspaper, radio station, TV channels. Every year we conducted. So this year also we will conduct some different media houses visit for you. Then field trip, guest lecture, organize different event, and guest lecture is so important to attend. You can't skip those guest lecture. Thank you everyone for your kind attention. I would also like to express my gratitude for all the faculty and the technical staff for the support. So I would like to call our art circle coordinator, Ms. Kimaya Mehta ma'am, to describe the MJBJ and also the art circle activities.
Good afternoon all. My name is Kimaya Mehta. I'm coordinator for CJ, BJ and MJ. So you have any queries, I am there on the WhatsApp group. You can call me. तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना प्रॉस्पेक्टस मिळाला आहे एक्सटर्नलचं BJ, MJ, CJ. ओके, सो नीता मॅम त्यांना फक्त प्रॉस्पेक्टसच द्या, म्हणजे त्यांना सब्जेक्टचे कळतील काय आहे. 1 वर्षाचा कोर्स आहे आपला. तिथे तुम्हाला ऑफलाईन लेक्चर्स नसणार आहेत, रेकॉर्डेड ऑनलाईन लेक्चर्स असतील आणि काही लाईव्ह लेक्चर्स असतील ऑनलाईन. मोस्टली संडेला होतील हे. तुम्हाला इंटिमिडेट केलं जाईल वन वीक बिफोर, म्हणजे मंडेला तुम्हाला सांगितलं जाईल की या संडेला कुठले लेक्चर्स आहेत, ऑर मे बी बाय मॅक्स टू मॅक्स फ्रायडे. यू हॅव एनी क्वेश्चन्स रिलेटेड टू द सब्जेक्ट or any queries, or if you want to have extra lectures, let me know. And Neeta ma'am, she will come and explain you about sports. That time you will understand who is she. So she is also coordinating with me. तुम्हाला सेकंड इयर म्हणजे सेकंड सेमिस्टरला अप्रेंटिसशिप आहे. डू यू नो व्हॉट इज अप्रेंटिसशिप? कोण कोण BJ आणि CJ जिथे आहेत? ओके, सो अप्रेंटिसशिपचा अर्थ असा आहे की तुम्हाला इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये म्हणजे हे कंपल्सरी नाही आहे सगळ्यांना, इट्स ऑल अप टू युअर चॉईस. तर फर्स्ट इयर तुम्हाला प्रॉपर आम्ही प्रिंट मीडिया काय असतं ह्याची माहिती देऊ सगळ्या सब्जेक्टमध्ये. मग सेकंड इयरमध्ये तुमच्यावर आहे की तुम्ही कुठल्याही इंडस्ट्री, न्यूज चॅनल और न्यूज एजन्सीमध्ये काम करू शकता फुल टाईम फॉर 3 to 4 months. तिथे तुम्हाला इव्हॅल्युएशन होईल तुमच्या कामाला घेऊन आणि मग तुमचं इथे रिटर्न पेपर असेल. सो बिंग MJ, BJ आणि CJ जो एक्सटर्नल कोर्स आहे, तुम्हाला कॅम्पसवर यायची गरज नाही आहे. त्यासाठी तुम्ही सेकंड इयरमध्ये यू कॅन ऑफर अप्रेंटिसशिप वेअर युअर मार्कशीट वुड बी डिफरंट फ्रॉम नॉर्मल मार्कशीट, वेअर द मार्कशीटवर नाव असं असेल, फॉर एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही BJ असाल तर BJ प्रिंट मीडिया, लाईक बॅचलर इन प्रिंट मीडिया अप्रेंटिसशिप. सो असं पण आपण चालू करतो ह्या वर्षीपासून, स्पेशली फॉर युअर बॅच. सो नेक्स्ट इयर तुम्हाला परत मी सांगीन बाय डिसेंबर, जानेवारी. आणि आपण केसरीमध्येच अप्रेंटिसशिप चालू करतो आहे. सो यू नो केसरी प्रेस TMVचंच सिस्टर कंपनी आहे, जिथे आपण न्यूज एजन्सी आहे, प्रिंट मीडिया पेपर येतो केसरीचा. सो आपण तिथे तुम्हाला इंडस्ट्री नॉलेज देणार आहोत, न्यूज कसे लिहायचे, एडिट कसं करायचं, रिपोर्टिंग कसं करायचं, आणि तेच सेम तुमचं छापलं पण जाईल न्यूजपेपरमध्ये. And will be guided by people there who is working. So it's all up to you. कंपल्सरी नाही आहे. तुम्हाला हवा असेल इंडस्ट्री एक्सपोजर सेकंड सेमिस्टरला तुम्हाला मिळणार आहे. हा 1 yearचा कोर्स आहे. तुम्हाला उद्या केसरी टूर आहे, जिथे प्रेस कसं वर्क करतं, प्रोडक्शन ऑफ न्यूजपेपर ह्याचं नॉलेज दिलं जाईल. सो उद्या सेकंड हाफ 2 वाजता असणार आहे. कोण इंटरेस्टेड आहेत प्लीज मला येऊन सांगा पर्सनली, सो दॅट आम्ही बस अरेंज केली आहे फ्रॉम TMV टू केसरीवाडा, अँड फ्रॉम देअर वी आर कमिंग बॅक ओव्हर हिअर. फ्रॉम हिअर यू आर रिलीज ॲट 4 PM. And as Meera ma'am is coordinating, she'll be there, and Shashwati ma'am would be also there. If required, I'll be also be there tomorrow for the Kesri tour. Rest MJ चे जे सब्जेक्ट आहे तुम्ही प्रॉस्पेक्टस बघा, तिथे स्पेसिफिकली हा पर्टिक्युलर टीचर आहे असं नाही आहे. आम्ही इंडस्ट्रीचे लोक बोलवतो जे तुम्हाला मे बी लाईव्ह सेशन्स ऑनलाईन असतील, और मे बी तुम्हाला रेकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स जे आम्ही केलेत ते तुम्हाला प्ले केले जातील ऑन संडेज. सो तुम्हाला काही एक्स्ट्रा लागत असेल, तुम्हाला नॉलेज हवं असेल, सो लेट मी नो. आय एम द कोऑर्डिनेटर फॉर द कोर्स. ठीक आहे. आणि आता मी आर्ट सर्कलची पण कोऑर्डिनेटर आहे. आर्ट सर्कल चं असं युजली वी स्टार्ट अराउंड द इंडक्शन. इवन वील हॅव अ TMV इंडक्शन planned for you somewhere in the month of August again. हा आपला डिपार्टमेंटवाला होता. विद्यापीठ पण अरेंज करतं. त्यावेळेस फ्रेशर्स पण असेल. त्याच्यानंतर आपले छोटे छोटे ॲक्टिव्हिटीज चालू होतात जे तुम्हाला मी पाठवत जाईन तुमच्या ग्रुपवर. इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड प्लीज पार्टिसिपेट इन द आर्ट सर्कल. I would say not interested, but you have to only because it's a part of Vidyapeeth and you also come ahead. Sanskriti Day asto usually in the month of February, that would be the next year, and we have small events and days to be celebrated. I hope you participate. Also our TMV Vidyapeeth, like we have our theatre circle or theatre group where you can participate in Karandaks. We have lot of prizes that we have won last year, and if you are interested into theater, art circles आता परत नवीन theater group form होईल. I know when the auditions happen. I will put that on the group. If you are interested, please participate, and we have very good directors for planning of theatrical plays, and they go for many competitions, so do participate. And I will call Neeta ma'am for giving sports information for students.
थँक्यू मॅम. सगळ्यांना पहिल्यांदा तुमचं या विद्यापीठामध्ये स्वागत आहे. मी नीता रवींद्र कदम या विद्यापीठामध्ये गेले 15 वर्ष क्रीडा विभागाचं काम पाहते. तसेच यावर्षीपासून BJ, MJ आणि CJच्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी सुद्धा मदतीसाठी कोऑर्डिनेट म्हणून काम करणार आहे. तर आपल्या विद्यापीठामध्ये जसं शिक्षणाला महत्त्व दिलं आहे तसंच कलागुणांना सुद्धा वाव दिलेला आहे. विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी आपण जसं मॅडमनी आत्ता सांगितलं की आर्ट सर्कल आहे, तर आर्ट सर्कलमध्ये आपण मागील काही वर्षांमध्ये भरपूर विजेते पारितोषिक मिळालेले आहेत. तसेच आपल्या विद्यापीठात अजून भरपूर गोष्टी आहेत, जसं आर्ट सर्कल आहे, स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट आहे आणि NSS युनिट पण आहे. जर तुम्ही इच्छुक असाल सामाजिक कार्य करण्यासाठी, जर तुम्हाला वेलकम आहे की तुम्ही NSSमध्ये सुद्धा सहभाग घ्यावा. जर तुमच्यामध्ये खरंच गाण्याची किंवा नाटक कलेची आवड असेल तर तुम्ही आर्ट सर्कलमध्ये सुद्धा सहभाग घ्यावा. आणि एखादा विद्यार्थी असा पण असू शकतो की ज्याला स्पोर्ट्सची आवड आहे, त्यांनी जरूर माझ्याशी संपर्क साधावा. विद्यापीठ लेवलवरती आपण स्पोर्ट्समध्ये काय करतो, तर आपल्या विद्यापीठातील विद्यार्थ्यांना ज्या खेळामध्ये आवड आहे किंवा त्याच्यामध्ये पुढे जाण्याची इच्छा आहे त्याच्यासाठी कोचिंग उपलब्ध करून देतो. त्यानंतर त्या विद्यार्थ्यांच्या दर महिन्याला एक कॉम्पिटिशन्स असते. आता ऑगस्ट महिन्यामध्ये चेस कॉम्पिटिशन आहे. सर्व विभागांचे इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम संपल्यानंतर आपण ही मंथ एंडमध्ये कॉम्पिटिशन घेणार आहोत. असे प्रत्येक महिन्यामध्ये असते. क्रिकेट आहे, फुटबॉल आहे आणि याच्या व्यतिरिक्त सुद्धा असे गेम्स आहेत की रेसलिंग आहे, जुदो आहे, जे आपली अकॅडमीज आहे, जुदो अकॅडमी आपल्या विद्यापीठामध्ये, योगा हॉल आहे. तर या सगळ्या ज्या मुलांना इंटरेस्ट आहे काही खेळासाठी तर त्यांनी माझ्याशी संपर्क साधावा. आपण विद्यार्थ्यांचं एक सिलेक्शन ट्रायल घेतो आणि या मुलांना आपण स्टेट आणि नॅशनल लेवलवरती खेळण्यासाठी पाठवतो. यामुळे मुलांची प्रगती तर होतेच होते, त्यावरती विद्यापीठाचं नाव देखील नॅशनल लेवलवरती पोचतं. अशा आत्तापर्यंत दरवर्षी साधारण 70 ते 80 विद्यार्थी नॅशनल लेवल प्रोग्राम्समध्ये ऑल इंडिया इंटर युनिव्हर्सिटी टुर्नामेंटमध्ये सहभागी होतात आणि लास्ट इयरला 10 मेडल्स आपल्या विद्यापीठाला नॅशनल लेवलचे मिळालेले आहेत. यावर्षीसुद्धा असेच मेडल मिळवण्यासाठी मी तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना आवाहन करते की जरूर तुम्ही स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट, आर्ट सर्कल, NSS युनिट यामध्ये सर्वांनी छानपैकी भाग घ्यावा. थँक्यू.
I hope it's clear to you. If there is any other query, I am the first year BA coordinator, also the first year BA music, and the MA coordinator will be Shashwati ma'am. So if you have any query, ask me or Shashwati ma'am, she will guide you. And for today we are done for now, but we have a campus tour at 2 p.m. So our digital arts faculty, Sir Nayan sir will guide you. So please, you may have your lunch and assemble your bag at the department exactly at 2 p.m. the first floor, Journalism Mass Communication Department.